All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Caspa community. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for sticking around and showing tremendous amount of love. Let's take a look at Caspa, see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come today. Has been a very exciting day, and of course, when I pull out the charts, things will make more sense. So as we are going into Tuesday morning, you are seeing the broader market seeing a little bit of a pullback, but some coins are still up quite a bit. Looking at Theta, Dogecoin, Kaspa, Tezos, HBAR, you guys get the idea. But of course, this update is on Caspa, so let's take a look at it, see what is happening, and what we could be expecting. So looking at the price itself, guys, 17.32 cents, and just based off of looking at the price right now, we can tell where the price of Caspa is, especially if you do watch this video. If you watch my updates every single day on Caspa. It's up 5.3% in USD comparative, also up 6.7% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about $4.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $223.4 million. Before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So obviously we know that Kaspa has gotten listed on Kraken, which of course brings in more liquidity to Kaspa. And Kraken is by far one of the biggest exchanges when it comes to the crypto markets, but still missing the likes of Binance, the likes of Huobi, and some of these Coinbase, some of these exchanges that I'm listing have already listed Kaspa on their futures platform, and that brings the question: why in the world are they taking so long to list it on their spot platforms? Which of course is what a lot of people are waiting for, because people don't want to use some of these shady exchanges that have listed Kaspa. I think Kraken comes and changes the game there. But regardless of the matter, you always want to keep your coins off of the exchanges. But this is a huge step in the right direction, and maybe can motivate some of these other exchanges to come and list Kaspa on their platform. So if you're a part of the Kaspa community, I'm sure you guys are completely thrilled about this. But let's take a look at what's happening with the price right now, because the price is doing some interesting things. So looking at the Bitcoin dominance, first and foremost, dominance is sitting below 60%, currently sitting at 59.81%, as we've discussed. Dominance is still below 60%, which is of course nice to see. If we're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is approaching $92,000 as we are obviously going into Tuesday morning. Again, if you're looking at it on the hourly time frame, you can understand Bitcoin's movement on a better, angle. So, yesterday we did see Monday start off on a really positive note. Bitcoin went up to 92,600, saw a little bit of a pullback, and right now you guys can see Bitcoin is starting to make its way back above to these levels and wants to push to the likes of the previous all-time high. And I do expect that Bitcoin does hit a new all-time high this week, which is going to be of course really nice for the broader market. So as far as Bitcoin is concerned, remember every single update I talk about that finding a ground for itself, and that's exactly what Bitcoin has been doing. So amazing on that angle. But now let's take a look at Kaspa. So talking about the price, as I've stated, when we were at the beginning of the update, that if you're looking at the price, we already know where the price of Kaspa is currently sitting, and that is at the major key resistance. We spoke about how once you get into the 78.6, break out of the key resistance around the 16.2 cents, you will see Kaspa retesting the likes of 17.23 cents quite fast, and that's exactly what you saw happen for Kaspa today. And I'm sure everyone in the Kaspa community is really happy about this, and as you should be, because you are looking at Kaspa wicking up to that 17.7 cents, and right now you're looking at the price retrace a little bit, and it's actually holding at that support, which of course was the resistance, but actually has been playing as a level of support after we kind of retraced a little bit. And remember, this key resistance, this is where originally I started talking about Kaspa showing bearish momentum within its price, and we know what happened after that, because we were retesting this key resistance a few times. Obviously that was a rejection, and then we saw Kaspa fall 41.87%. Anyone that picked up Kaspa around that 10 cents price point, is up right now about, you could say, 72%. So Kaspa has balanced itself out with the broader market. Remember the lag that we were talking about? Well, that lag is not much there anymore, because Kaspa has pretty much balanced itself where it should be. Of course, some people are going to come out and say, you know, Caspa should be at all-time highs, but, you know, we should be giving credit where it belongs right now. The fact that, you know, the price is back above a major key resistance. But with that said, it's extremely important for the price of Caspa to actually close above this key resistance. As of now, we're sitting above there. And if it's able to close above here, I do expect that, you know, we start retesting August, you know, levels that we haven't seen obviously since August. And that is going to be really exciting. So, you know, a big day for obviously the Caspa community. Shout out to you guys. You know, I appreciate each and every one of you guys that come and show a tremendous amount of love on these daily updates. You know, continue supporting, and I promise you to bring out these daily updates for you guys. But what a great move. I know a lot of people were waiting for this, and it actually did end up happening. But like I said, extremely important for the price of Caspa to stay above that and turn it into support. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions regarding Caspa in the upcoming days ahead of us? And yeah, let me know if you are going to see other exchanges. Now, speaking about other exchanges, one other exchange came and listed Caspa, but it's not, you know, one of the big exchanges. So let me know your thoughts down below. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.